Hey guys, haven't done a video in a while. Let me do an update. So, this got wrecked from... Oh, I haven't even fucking showed you guys that yet. Well, Cookie got wrecked, and we're building the coop. And we stitch welded everything on the inside. Almost done. And I sold all the body kits and stuff for the Cookie. Because the coop is what's going to be finished, and yeah, so the coop's going to be really nice. I'm going to missile that out, and then, so yeah, I went and I bought a body kit. This is where I bought it from, KBD, and their kits are awesome. So I'm going to unbox this, and actually here, let me flip it this way. And this is a body kit, guys. Keep that in mind. This is fucking crazy. It's in a box. I have a body kit in a box. So, unboxing it. God damn it. Okay. Give me a second. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, hold on. Oh, I got the box open finally. Sorry, but yeah, here is the body kit. This is really cool. It's literally folded up. This is so crazy. Like, this is some crazy shit, dude. Look at this. It's just, I guess you get. I heard you just leave it out in the sun and then, like. And it unfolds. See? That's just so cool. But yeah, this is the KBD kit. I'm gonna pull everything out and then I'm gonna heat it up and it's gonna go back to normal. So yeah, I pulled it out. And it's like starting already to like just go back to normal. This is insane. This is so crazy how it just fucking... It literally just... What? This is nuts. It just kind of just goes back to normal. Oh my god. That is insane. That is so crazy. This is so cool. But yeah, guys, I bought a KBD kit. I know Adam LZ, Taylor Ray, all the bigger YouTube guys have been talking about these. And honestly, I don't want to have to deal with breaking body kits and stuff anymore. It's kind of getting old. So, bought one of these, and yeah, this honestly looks really promising. This is gonna be really cool. I can't wait. Yeah. Sit for like 20 minutes, and now it's pretty much in the right shape. This is really fucking cool. Like, this stuff just kind of just goes back to normal. I will be ordering another one of these kits for my Kooky in the future when I rebuild it, and instead of being a missile car. But this is awesome. This is so worth it. Like, it literally just flexes. That's insane. It's just, you can, oh, what the hell? This stuff is so cool. But yeah, I believe it's made out of the same material that a traffic cone would be made out of. That's what I'm assuming. But yeah, this is awesome. I hope you guys liked the little update. I'm sorry I'm not posting videos. I've just been really busy and doing, living life. You know what I mean? You gotta live life. Hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.